You know the moment. Suitcase wide open, daring me to squeeze a week's worth of looks into a bag that barely fits my shoes. Overpacking turns me into a pack mule, but underpacking? Suddenly, I'm stuck wishing I had that one shirt or jacket I left behind. Here's the secret every seasoned traveler eventually learns. You don't need fancy gadgets or pricey organizers to double your outfits. Just a simple, classic trick that's about to change the way you pack forever. Let me take you back for a second. In the old days of travel, folks had steamship trunks and porters, and space was never an issue. Now, it's the age of tiny overhead bins and strict carry-on rules. That's where the real travelers started getting clever, stretching every inch of their suitcase without giving up on style. The capsule wardrobe is the trick, and it's not just for fashion people. Here's how it works. I pick clothes that do double duty. Pants that match 3 different tops, a shirt that works under 2 jackets, and just one pair of shoes that goes with everything. But it's about more than just the basics. Layering and mixing colors. Think black, white, navy, maybe a bold scarf or shirt for personality. Lets you build outfits that feel fresh every single day. So instead of packing a whole closet, I build a system. That blazer? It dresses up jeans for a city stroll and top slacks for a dinner out. A scarf can turn a morning coffee run into an evening walk in style. The trick is balance. Neutrals for flexibility, then a pop of something special that's all you. Picture it like travel Tetris. I lay out a breathable tee, a button-down, a light sweater, and a jacket that handles sun and rain. For bottoms, dark jeans, some tailored pants, maybe a skirt. Day-to-night shoes, not those sparkly heels I'll never wear. Then accessories, a belt, a hat, sunglasses, and the one scarf that makes me feel like a local instead of a tourist. With 3 tops and 3 bottoms, I've got 9 outfits right there. And if I run a quick hotel laundry or rinse in the sink, everything stays fresh and my bag stays light. But here's the step most folks skip: planning before I pack. I lay it all out, mix and match, and if something doesn't go with at least 3 outfits, it doesn't make the cut. This 10-minute check saves me from last-minute panic and wasted space. Seriously, once you see how a couple of jackets and shirts can cover a whole week, you'll wonder why you ever lugged around extra bags. This isn't just a hack, y'all, it's freedom. A carry-on that works hard means no waiting at baggage claim, no lost luggage, no extra fees. I've run through airports and crammed into tiny cars. With this trick, travel chaos turns into calm. And best of all, when my bag is light, my mind is clear. I'm not fussing over choices. I'm ready for every moment, every story, every memory I want to make. So before your next trip, lay your stuff out, keep it simple, and pack smarter, not heavier. That's the packing trick that doubles your outfits and doubles your freedom to explore.